finding 1%. So on the board, on the left-hand side, I have 100 small yellow squares, and that represents 100%. On the right-hand side, I have one of those squares highlighted in yellow, and that represents 1%, which is 1 out of 100. So to go from 100% to 1%, all we need to do is divide by 100. So if you're ever asked to find 1% of any given value, all you need to do is divide by 100. So our first question is, find 1% of 5,000. So to do that, we take 5,000 and divide by 100. Now, we know when we divide by 100, we move all our numbers 2 places to the right. So that'd be 1, 2. So our final answer is equal to 50. So 1% of 5,000 is 50. Our next question, 1% of 150. So again, we're going to take 150 and divide by 100. When we divide by 100, we move all our numbers 2 places to the right. 1, 2. And our answer is 1.5. So 1% of 150 is equal to 1.5. 1% of 76. And again, we're going to divide by 100. 76 divided by 100, we move all our numbers 2 places to the right. 1, 2. Now, in this situation, we have to put a 0 under our units column so that it reads 0.76. So 1% of 76 is equal to 0.76. And our last example I have here is find 1% of 2. So we have our 2 there. We need to move that 2 places to the right. So that's 1 and 2. So that now sits under the hundredths column. So we need to put a 0 under the tenths column and also a 0 under the units column. So 2 divided by 100 is equal to 0.2. So 1% of 2 is 0.02. So there you are. Now it's your turn. I'm going to give you 4 questions to try. 1% of 600, 250, 49 and 7. So if you just press pause just now, give them a shot, and then once you're ready, hit play and we'll go through your answers. Welcome back. So finding 1% of 600, we start with 600. We know to find 1% of something, we divide by 100. So there we have our 600 there. I'm just going to bring it down, and we're going to move everything 2 places to the right. Oops, easy. 1, 2. So that gives us our final answer there. 600 divided by 100 is indeed equal to 6. Next question, we have find 1% of 250. There's our 250 there. Just going to bring it down. So 250 divided by 100, move everything 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So that was 250 divided by 100, and as you can see, that should give you 2.5. Now your last 2 examples, you had 1% of 49. So we'll take a 49, and what we're going to do is we're going to divide by 100. When we divide by 100, hopefully you moved everything 2 places to the right. 1, 2, and you should have put a 0 under our units column. So 49 divided by 100, 1% of 49 is indeed 0.49. And your very last question was finding 1% of 7. So you know that 7 should be divided by 100. When you divide by 100, we move everything 2 places to the right. So that'd be 1 and 2. And to give its place value, we need to put a 0 under our units column and our tenths column. So our final answer reads 0.07. And there you have it. So finding 1% of 7 is equal to 0.07. Thanks.